Hello students, today we are start with a new topic. Your syllabus we are going to discuss here. In this year, you are going to learn 3D home, which is the extended part of the 3D primitives. Here you are going to draw missing views of the given isometric. Two views will be given and you have to draw third views of the given job. This is very interesting exercise. Here you can have again revision of the Boolean operations such as intersect, union and subtract. Using that we can make the simple isometric 3D. Here you will have a revolve command, which is very interested command in AutoCAD. But here we are going to make a 3D jobs with the help of revolve command. Here you can see the pot, pulleys. Here again next important topic, keys and quarter, different type of keys and quarter which you are going to learn. Here jib headed key, quarter sockets you can see here. In next slide you can see the different type of pipe joint which we are going to learn in detail. Here you can see the flanges and cross which can use to join 4 pipe. This is very important topic. Here you can see the keys quarter, which are very important topic of the mechanical. This year we are going to learn the different type of coupling and clutches. Coupling are those mechanical part which used to connect motor to machine. Machine shaft and motor shaft joined together with the help of coupling. Here you are going to learn 3D nut bolts, how to make 3D nut bolts. And here we are going to use the intersect command which is in Boolean operation. These are the different mechanical tools which are used in fitter trade. This is very much allied trade in which you are going to learn hammer, mallet, handsaw, hacksaw, screwdriver, etc., which is very important trade. Here another important topic, tolerance fit limits. Why we have to provide tolerance fits and limit. Here we are going to learn deep in whole basic system, shaft basic system, etc. It will again the next lecture of the same topic, means tolerance fit limit. It is a very important and deep topic, so we will repeat it. In this, here you can see the turner trade, means lathe machine. You have to study the lathe machine in which we are going to make a rounded job, turn job. Here you can see the different lathe machine parts. Here again to practice that revolve command we are using expansion joint command, and with the expansion joint assembly we are going to cover that revolve command. Here first time you will use the 3D printer. You are going to make gears this year. This 3D printer we will have from animation lab. These are the different press tools or press operation which is using sheet metal. Here we are going to learn punch and dice, how sheet metal job take place. In this slide you are going to learn welding, different type of welding, arc welding and gas welding. Here actual soldering work will be for our practical purpose. See last year boys how they enjoy this session. So you are going to learn this session this year. Very interested topic. So this will be welding topic. Here your electrical trade introduction you will have in this lecture. So in electrical parts, different electrical parts you can see here, and along with that you have to test the whether supply is there or not. These are different mechanical tools in which you can see the different here you will have an introduction of 4-stroke and 2-stroke cycle engine, means IC engine, internal combustion engine, in which we are going to just introduce this different type of IC engine in this topic. And here is the important topic of aero modeling, in which you are going to learn different type of aeroplane and its functions. You will also learn the cockpits, and we will have industrial visit also this year, and practical of the aero modeling will be there. So this is a syllabus which we are going to learn in this year. So be ready for the next lecture, and we will start with the next session.